Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make 3 easy appetizers for any occasion. The first one is a cheese ball. For this recipe, you will need cream cheese, budding beef, green onions, and Worcestershire sauce. To begin, you will start by cutting up the budding beef and green onions into bite-sized pieces. To a large bowl, add the cream cheese and Worcestershire sauce and mix until combined. You will then add the budding beef and green onions, mix together and form into 1 or 2 cheese balls. One of our favorite appetizers is warm Reuben Dip in the crockpot. For this recipe, you will need corned beef, Thousand Island dressing, sauerkraut, and Swiss cheese. You will also need cream cheese, which I forgot to include in this clip. We like to serve with Triscuits and French bread. You will start by chopping the corned beef and Swiss cheese into small pieces. will then chop the cream cheese into smaller pieces so that it melts easier in the crock pot. Once you have everything cut up, you will combine all ingredients into the crock pot. You will see me switch to a bigger bowl to combine the ingredients because my crock pot was too small to stir it all together. Once all the ingredients are combined, you will then add it back to the crock pot and cook on low until all the cheese is melted. Serve with French bread and Triscuits. This last recipe is super easy and delicious. You will need any barbecue sauce of choice and Hillshire Farms Little Smokies. We love Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You will drain the juice from the Little Smokies and add them to the crock pot. Add in as much barbecue sauce as you would like and heat on low until ready to serve. I hope you enjoy all of these recipes. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more easy appetizers in a future video.